Noong 2023, 2024 at 2025 budget, nagkaroon po ng malaking pagbabago mula sa budget ng DPWH na isinabit nyo sa Kongreso. Tama po ba yan?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Kung matatandaan nyo po, gaano po kalaki yung mga pagbabago na ito? Dito na lang po tayo mag-concentrate sa 2025 budget. Magkano po yung pinopose nyo at magkano yung naaprubahan na budget ng DPWH?
Ang natatandaan ko po, Your Honor, the National Expenditure Program ng DPWH for 2025 was at the level of 900 billion. What came out of the General Appropriations Act is 1.088 billion, Your Honor.
Meaning, gaano po kalaki yung nadagdag?
1.088 trillion, Your Honor.
Gaano po kalaki ang nadagdag?
Ang nadagdag is 188 billion, Your Honor.
At sa nadagdag po na 188 billion, ito po yung mga infrastructure projects, tama po?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Sa pagkakaalam nyo, saan kumuha ng mga program of works? Paano nakapagdagdag ang House of Representatives at ang Senate dito sa mga proyekto na ito? Galing po ba ito sa DPWH, yung mga programa na ito?
Ayan na hindi maliwanag po, Your Honor.
So ito po ay ginawa ng BICAM without your knowledge.
Wala po.
So makakaalam lang po ng mga insertion na ito ay particularly yung BICAM, the Senate Committee on Finance and the Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. Tama po ba yan?
Well, as far as we know, Your Honor, that will be the product of the BICAM, Bicameral Conference Committee, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yun na lang po ang aking Mr. Chair, I would like to move that in order to clear up things, to clarify matters, we should invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations in the last Congress, the 19th Congress, and the chairman of the committee, Congressman Saldico and former Senator Grace po. So move, Mr. Speaker.
Second.
Second, Mr. Chair, Mr. Chairman. Before Secretary Bonoan leaves, I would like to ask a question. I'm supposed to ask this question.
Wait. So, excuse me.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's a motion po muna.
Motion. I seconded the motion. I thought it was already.
But I don't think Secretary Bonoan will leave as yet.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I seconded the motion of the Honorable Irise, Your Honor.
Can we restate the motion, please?
Mr. Chair, I move to that this committee invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations and the chairman of the Senate Committee on Finance in the last Congress, na 19th Congress, para malaman po natin kung paano, ano yung talagang storya, bakit nadagdagan ng mahigit 100 bilyon at saan nila kinuha yung mga programa na yon na idinagdag sa pantalang sinasabi po ni Secretary Bonoan na hindi naman po sila yung nagbigay ng mga programa na ito. Alam niyo po, especially on flood control projects, kung malalaking proyekto to, dapat po mayroong mga environmental compliance certificate. So, mahalaga na malaman natin saan galing ito. So, ang nakakaalam lang po yun dito, si former Senator po at si Congressman Saldico, sapagkat yung mismong pagpoproseso ng mga insertions na ito ay nanggaling sa kanilang mga tanggapan. And I'm sure, yung mga opisina nila, yung staff nila, sila nakakaalam. Dahil sila yung nagproseso nitong mga insertions na ito.
Mr. Chairman,
I seconded
I would like to second. Yes, Your Honor. May I? I would like to second the motion. I would like to explain why. You know, last August 4, I delivered a privileged speech questioning the, I think, mangled beyond recognition 2025 budget, and I was very specific on the automatic appropriations. Almost ang daming ginalaw. So hindi lang yung program appropriation, new general appropriations ang ginalaw pa yung program. In fact, towards my ending statement, I have said the 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Mr. Chairman,
You want to
I would
explain
like to
your
know the
objections?
reason why, because I would like to find out if we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman, I
May
move
I-
for a few minutes suspension.
Mr. Chairman,
Chairman,
Move to suspend, Mr.
there's
Chairman.
a pending motion by
Session suspended.
Congressman Arrece.
Mr. Chairman, there's
I second it.